Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to RaceCon Network. Today we're going to be doing a side skirt install on my BMW 335i N54. It's pretty cool out right now, so she's purring pretty good. If you guys have been enjoying this content, been liking the videos, please smash the subscribe. You know, we've been killing it recently. I appreciate all the love and support on the channel. Hit a like on this video as well if you're new, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so we have to head to Home Depot to get a few bolts for the side skirts, and then we'll catch you back during the install and show you guys how to do it. I need to make sure my drill has battery, but other than that, we're good to go. Alright, like I said guys, we're just going to Home Depot really quickly. Just right down the road. We're going to get some parts for the install. Basically all we need is like 5 bolts. I hope that's enough. I'll probably get 10 for each side, so we'll catch you guys when we get to Home Depot. Quick little. Alright, I think we're going with these. I'm just guesstimating, so I guess we'll find out. They're both 1/2 inch. Might have to get the 2s, because I don't know if I have, or the 12s, because I don't know if I have another bit for that. Alright guys, so we're jacking up the car right now. We're going to put on the first side skirt. You're going to want to, first of all, obviously as you can tell the car is dirty as shit. We're going to get a towel, we're going to wipe off all that so it's not getting in the way. The side skirt, we'll get back to you in a second. Alright guys, so this is what we are installing. Carbon fiber flared side skirts, just to show you guys. There you go. Alright, so the first step you're going to want to do, obviously, is take a towel. Let's pick the white one so it shows how dirty my fucking car is. Then we are going to wipe off all this shit. I keep my cars clean. Yep. Make sure the whole side skirt clean of all debris, so you don't have shit sitting under the car. All right, so what we're gonna do now, is we're gonna come under here, and actually this one you can slide your side skirt right under the mud flap right there, so you don't have to cut this one. But if you come to the front with me, there's another one right here. And we're gonna have to modify it a little because it's gonna get in the way of the side skirt. So I'm gonna take my pliers, I'm gonna get right in here, and I'm gonna cut it until I have enough space to obviously fit the side skirt underneath of it. We'll get back to you once this is cut off, as you guys can tell, and I'll show you how I cut it off and like what parts I cut off. All right guys, so we're under the bottom of the car, as you can tell. I just cut the little lip off so I can fit flush on the bottom of the car. So I just cut that part off. You can slide it in on the back side. So that's all you really need to do is cut this part. Alright guys, so what I'm doing is I'm pre-drilling holes into the carbon fiber. That wasn't supposed to happen. But basically, I am pre-drilling holes into the carbon fiber right here. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's just to make it easier for install. Alright guys, so I'm gonna drill one inside a little bit, just to let you know, keep it a little more sturdy so it's not hanging off. There you guys see, as you can tell, pre-drilled all these holes. Alright, now we're going to start putting these on. We'll get back to you once we install them. Alright guys, so now that we pre-drilled the holes, I actually set 2 screws, one in the back, one in the front, just so we can work on it easier. But once you pre-drill the holes, it's extremely easy to just drill the screws in, put it right in that hole, and just drill straight up. We're gonna finish screwing these in for you guys. And then we're gonna head to the car wash after we're done installing all of this stuff. And then we're gonna shoot a bunch of shots for you guys. Let me know how you guys think it looks. Let me grab that real quick. Carbon fiber. I think this joint's gonna look fucking wicked once I get these photos out. And I got the flared one in the back. All right, guys. So this plastic's actually a protectant, so I'm just gonna leave it on the car itself. But yeah, it gives it a much more aggressive look. That's for damn sure. Guys, I just want to show you this on the ground. I don't know if it looks in person what it does on the video. But that thing is fucking clean. And then if you come over here, do a little comparison. Go from the back real quick, as you can tell. Then you come on this side. Just adds a little kick to it. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I forgot to shoot the outro last night. I shot a couple more flicks today as well as the thumbnail. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. The carbon fiber side skirt extensions make the car that much better, look that much cleaner. If you're thinking about getting them, definitely recommend it. It's a great look on a car. This would look great on any car too, not just a black car. Black car kind of hides the carbon fiber, so if it was on like a white car, for example, or something like that, it would be super clean. As you guys saw, the install wasn't very hard, and I kind of just winged it as I went. So obviously it's not a big deal at all. As long as you have the correct tools, it's super freaking easy. That goes with a lot of stuff on cars, to be honest. But please smash a like in this video. Please hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to this channel. We got so much shit coming out. One bad thing that did happen, I think one of my ABS brake sensors is going bad because I have an ABS light on in my car. So we're gonna have to try to get that figured out right now. But my spark plugs and coils just came in today from FCP Euro. We're gonna replace those, and we're gonna see how shit works. Hopefully it's not misfiring in cylinder 3 anymore, and that would be awesome. The car will be back up and cruising it, killing it in the streets again. I appreciate all the love and support on the channel. See you guys next video. Peace.